The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has awarded the 2018 Genesis G80 Sport with a 5-star overall safety rating. The luxury sports sedan earned the highest possible safety rating from NHTSA after receiving top marks in several crash tests including frontal crash, side crash, and rollover scenarios. In order for a vehicle to earn an NHTSA 5-star overall safety rating, it must earn top marks in front driver side and passenger side protection, side barrier and pole impact, and rollover mitigation tests. In prior testing, the standard Genesis G80 sedan also received a 5-star overall safety rating, while both the Genesis G80 and G90 models have earned Top Safety Pick Plus awards from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety in 2017. The 2018 Genesis G80 Sport features a 3.3-litre turbocharged V6 engine with 365 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The model offers a comprehensive suite of segment-leading safety features designed to minimize risk and maximize protection for the driver, passengers, fellow drivers, and pedestrians. Some of those advanced safety features include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, smart blind spot detection with rear cross-traffic alert, lane keep assist, driver attention alert, and dynamic bending light with high beam assist.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.